Okay, let's turn it on. Oh shit, that's too bright. You can see the difference immediately. Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm gonna replace my stock interior lights, both in the front side and in the trunk area, and I'm gonna replace it with this LED light. I bought it in Amazon for just 17 Canadian dollars or 13 US dollars. This comes in 4 pieces. It's 6,000 lumens, xenon white. If you are interested in this LED lights, I will leave the link at the description box down below. Okay, I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's start. First, we have to turn off one of the lights. It doesn't matter, left or right. It's up to you. Okay, you can use a pry tool to remove these covers, but I'm not gonna use it because I could just remove it with my fingers. Okay, it's not hard to remove. I'm gonna turn this off and slightly press it like that. Put some pressure. I don't know if you can see. See how easy it is to remove it. Okay, and then okay, I'm gonna use my phone to light it so you can see it too. Okay, the bulb is slightly hot. I'm gonna use this tissue to remove it. There you go. Oh shit, it fell. Okay, let's turn it on. Oh shit, that's too bright. You can see the difference immediately. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's turn it off and then put the cover. Wow, you can tell it's really bright. And what you need to do, just do the same on the second one. Okay, it's all done. Look how bright that is. Oh. This is our trunk light. Just need to remove this one. I'm going to get a towel because it's halogen bulb. That's why it's hot. So there you go. Look at that. That's one bright light. Okay, and my final thought about this, I think this is actually a good buy considering it's just $17. It's so bright I might just use one light on the passenger side because it's actually blinding when I turn it both on. About the longevity of this LED, it's on the box. It says 30,000 hours, so that's basically more than 3 years. Who knows, time will tell. And that is all for today. Hope you like it. If you think that this video helps, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you on my next video.